doesn't do it justice. Like, this thing is so much taller in real life. Like, I'm looking straight up right now. That's just a straight 90 degrees up, 90 degrees down.
Kingda Ka was officially introduced on September the 29th, 2004, at an event held for the media and enthusiasts. It was revealed that the ride would become the tallest and fastest roller coaster on Earth, reaching 456 feet and accelerating from 0 to 128 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds. On January 13, 2005, Kingda Ka was topped off at its 456-foot height, finishing construction. Of summer 2010, one of the park's male tigers is named after the ride, and is named after the 500 pounds, 230 kilograms, golden tabby Bengal tiger that lives in a pen next to the ride, making this ride #1 on our list at Chronic Edge TV.